Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID or Touch ID for Facebook Messenger on iPhone and iPad or Android devices. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. The first thing that we have to do, launch Messenger app, then tap on profile icon. Now we have to tap on privacy, tap on app lock, enable that option, put your finger, go back, tap on done, close the messenger app, tap to relaunch, put your finger. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.